making some of these covers for exhaust fans, but they could be covers for anything really. So you need to get flat metal like this. This one I believe is 3/4, 1/8 thick, but you could get any size that you need. The other thing that you will want to get is something called expanded metal, which is this mesh. It comes in different gauges. You don't want it too flimsy. This one is pretty thick. I recently got this small welding plant. It really does the job because you can control the amperage. So one of the first things you want to do is cut the pieces. These are 10 inches. Of course you could cut it to whatever length, and then you weld it around. The end product, once you cut out these pieces, so for instance you're cutting this out, you're putting that here, and you're welding it around. You don't need to weld every little place, just, you know, corners, because this is very thick and somebody's not going to get through this easily. This is for an exhaust fan, so it's not a critical piece of security. It's just to prevent tampering. If this was for something more important, well then you would want to definitely go to each one and tack it on. Or if you really want to be security conscious, you could, after doing this part here, put these so you have double reinforcement. But to me, that would be a little bit overdoing it. So that's my end product. I'll show you what it looks like after it's painted. That's what they look like when well, this is about the second coat. I'll probably put a third coat on it, because you really want to make sure that the expanded metal, which is this part here, is painted in the grooves. It's easy to miss it and it could start to rust, so make sure and get it painted.